coming. She's coming.
Shh. Okay, everybody, hide and be quiet. I want this to be a goddamn surprise party. And keep your heads down.
Hey, Herman, what about you?
Oh, yeah, I forgot.
Hello? I'm going now. Anyone here to say goodbye to me? No? Okay, well, goodbye.
Surprise!
You didn't think we'd let you leave without giving you a little party, did you?
A party for me? Well, you shouldn't have. You shouldn't have.
See, I told you we shouldn't have.
And now through the courtesy of the hostesses of the Fandango Ballroom, Local 107, the waiters, the janitor, Joe the bouncer, and Harry the cop, and our 3 regular customers since 1954, we present a $17 cake.
Beautiful. Happy birthday, Angelo.
You couldn't get a new cake, you cheapskate?
All right. I didn't know she was leaving till this morning.
Oh, no, it's okay. It's the sentiment that counts. Herman, Angelo, and I thank you very much.
For abroad, you got a lot of class.
The present. Give her the presents.
All right. Charity Hope Valentine, we who have lived with you, undressed with you, suffered the indignities of this crummy joint with you.
Yeah.
We who have come to know you and to love you on this, your nuptial eve. Oh, God.
Aww.
We just want to wish you, oh, man, I'm going to cry.
Will you quit slobbering all the cake?
Oh, I can't help it. I'm going to miss her.
We all are. Get down and give the speech. Charity, honey. Oh, God, I'm gonna miss your kid. So, we got you this little present which I picked out.
A present for me?
Open it. What the hell kind of wedding gift is that?
I thought she was pregnant. Isn't that why she's getting married?
Yeah.
Oh, no, it's the best wedding present I ever got.
It ain't often that one of our girls leaves to marry a nice, respectable guy. In fact, this is the first time it's ever happened.
Yeah.
And so, as a parting gesture, our 3 regular customers since 1954 would like a farewell dance with our own bride-to-be, Miss Charity Valentine. I'm sorry, Mac, this is a private party.
I'm here to take her away.
Yeah? Hey, Charity, did you call for a cab?
Oh, no, it's Oscar. This is Oscar, everybody. Look, this is him.
He's taking our baby away.
Hello.
Oscar, I want you to meet our boss, Herman, affectionately known as the Führer.
Pleasure.
Likewise. How about a beer?
No.
Hey, somebody grab him a beer, Mr.
Lindquist.
Lindquist, that's right. Come here.
Speech. Come on. Speech.
It's tough for a loudmouth mug like me, who all the time bellows like a bull, to make with the words about the missus to be, when what you think is an empty heart is full. Tomorrow when you say, I do, I'll die. I'm almost too ashamed to tell you why.
I love to cry at weddings, how I love to cry at weddings. I walk into a chapel and get happily hysterical.
The ushers and attendants, the family dependents,
I see them and I start to snip. Have you an extra handkerchief?
and all through the service while the bride and groom look nervous,
Tis the joy of streaming down my face.
down my face.
I love to cry at weddings, anybody's weddings, anytime, anywhere, any place.
I always weep out says, oh, promise me and all that jazz.
The man you rest your head with, the man you share your bed with, is married to you, so you know he won't jump up and dress and blow.
I could marry Herman.
I'd be permanently sorry.
Yeah.
We would make a really lousy pair. But gee, I want a wedding, any kind of wedding,
Anytime, any place, anywhere. And all through the service while the bride and groom look nervous, tears of joy are streaming down my face. I love to cry at weddings, anybody's weddings, anytime, anywhere, any place. I love to cry at weddings. I love to cry at weddings.
I walk into a chapel and get happily hysterical.
The ushers and attendants, the family dependents,
I see them and I start to sniff. Please let me use your handkerchief.
and all through the service while the bride and groom look nervous.
I drink champagne and sing sweet